it's me, Kristincena. Welcome to another Lookfantastic unboxing. So here is the January box. It is in sky blue now. As you can see, this was last December and this was last October, and also have another boxes, but it was not here. So it's another color. This is like baby blue, and this is like really pale powder blue. I love the Lookfantastic boxes. This is huge. This is a huge box. I'd like to compare it to my Bella box. If you knew that I'm actually doing also another unboxing, and it's Bella box. So here's Bella box, guys, and that's Lookfantastic. So yep, that is really big. And now let's open it. I can't wait to show you guys. So this is actually 27 Australian dollars because of shipping, but in Australian dollars the box itself is $20. So it's just same with Bella box. So why am I comparing? If you subscribe, you'll be receiving 6 premium items from Lookfantastic. So we have here the Lookfantastic Beauty Magazine. So this one here actually has the tips and all the things that you'll be receiving. In every Lookfantastic box, you'll be receiving an Elle Magazine. So for this month's cover, Kristincena. Why is she familiar? Do you know her? Let me just show you what I'll be receiving for this January. Wow, just look at that, guys. Look how creative, how so much effort they put. The box is so pretty itself, like with all these kinds of things. Let me show you now what I'm having. We have here a double-ended brush. Is that what you call it? Double-ended brush. I'm not sure what this is for, but look at that, guys. I don't know if you can see, but there's something wrong with the brush right there. But in this, the rest of it is just alright. This is like a highlighter brush. I honestly just look at Lookfantastic Instagram. I look at hashtag #LFBeautyBox to see what they have been receiving, and I didn't see them post this one. I'm not sure why I have this, but I'm happy. Yay, thank you, Lookfantastic. Can you just tell me, guys, what this is for, especially for those makeup junkie out there? Yay! It's an exclusive Lookfantastic brush, guys. Next, we have Lookfantastic Pop Band London. They gave me this. It's so cute. Yeah, feel, be, Lookfantastic. What does that mean? Feel, be. Feel, be. Ah, I think what they meant is feel fun. Feel? I don't know. But that's it. It's for the hair. Should I try it? It doesn't match because I'm wearing pink and this is sky blue. But yeah, that's it. Next, guys, is Dr. Pawpaw Original Balm, multi-purpose soothing balm with natural pawpaw. So pawpaw is actually like another term for papaya. So just like here in Australia, pawpaw is like papaya. And I don't know what I have here the Lucas Pawpaw ointment, and Lookfantastic gave me this Dr. Pawpaw ointment. So obviously I don't need this much, but it's amazing, this one. So I bet this is amazing too. So maybe I'm just gonna give this to my sister. If you're watching this video right now, this is yours. I'm gonna show you the hero product of Lookfantastic. That means it's like the main product for this month. So this is the one. Hello Fab Coconut Skin Smoothie Priming Moisturizer. So this is a moisturizer, of course, and I'm not a fan of coconut, so I don't know what to feel about this. And also I'm like deceived in a way that I thought in the picture this is like bigger than this, bigger than the Dr. Papa. It's like, I don't know, just like this big. I was expecting like that. So it's actually a sample size, I think. It's just that it's too small, like that. It's like as big as a lipstick. And let me just put it on my hand. Really smells like coconut. Yeah, that's it. That's the moisturizer. So their hero product I'm not a fan of. So next one we have, yay, banana setting powder. Yay! It's actually the brand Bella Pierre banana setting powder. It's yellow toned, which is good for me. I have warm undertone. I think most banana powders are yellow toned. It's a color correcting loose setting powder. I think this is a small size, not in sample, but it's like smaller travel size. We have Diamond Gold Dust Sheet Mask, another sheet mask from the brand Vitamask. K-Beauty Korean technology. I forgot to show it to you. So this is their luxurious moisturizing Korean face mask made with gold dust, diamond powder, and pearl extract. I wonder how much this is. It's actually not written here, not really printed here, and how much the products are. The last one in the box we have here, Swell Ultimate Protect and Renew Serum. Apply after towel drying hair, focusing on the mid-lengths and ends of your hair. Oh, serum. This is a serum for the hair. Okay, let me smell it. I don't like that smell. It's very like runny. Not super, but it's just very... Oh wow, I don't like this fragrance. There's no way I would put this on my hair. Like seriously. Why would they make something that... I don't think I would put this on my hair. I don't want my hair to smell like this all day. So I might have headache. So I'm just gonna give this to somebody else. So yeah, those are the 6, 2, 4, 5, 6, and this is a bonus product. Yay! Thank you, Lookfantastic. And I can't wait for the next month. I'm not gonna tell you, but next month I am kind of excited about it. So yeah, that completes this Lookfantastic unboxing. Please don't forget to subscribe if you enjoyed this video, or if you're excited to see more of next month's Lookfantastic. Don't forget to like and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.